In this question, first I need to arrange the expression such that I can use the substitution method. So if I arrange the expression such that 10 square 2x 10 2x sec 2x, so our I is integration of 10 cube 2x sec 2x dx. So if I arrange it as 10 square 2x 10 2x sec 2x dx and change the 10 square 2x to sec square form from the identity sin square y sec square y minus 10 square y equals to 1. So 10 square y will be sec square y minus 1. So if I use the formula in the equation, if I use the formula in the expression, I will get sec square 2x minus 1 sec 2x 10 2x dx. Now from here I can see that derivative of sec 2x is given in the expression, which is sec 2 sec 2x 10 2x. So I can use here the substitution method. If I substitute sec 2x equals to t, then its derivative, which is 2 sec 2x 10 2x dx equals to dt. And the question we are given sec 2x 10 2x, so we need to find out the value of sec 2x and 10 2x dx. So it will be dt by 2. Now I can put the substitution in the integration. So it will be t square minus 1 dt by 2, or I can say 1 by 2 integration t square minus 1 dt. So now I can easily integrate the equation, the question expression. So it will be 1 by 2 integration of t square will be t cube by 3 minus integration of 1 will be t, and the integration constant c will be there. So since t is sec 2x, so putting the value of t sec cube 2x by 3 minus sec 2x plus c, this will be our answer.